Hello Rahul, welcome and good morning. Good morning Narsi, thanks for sparing time to meet me. Pleasure my friend. You wanted to know something about solar cell manufacturing? Yes Narsi, I have 3 specific questions. Shoot. One is there a clear demand-supply gap? Well, right now, India needs about 50 gigawatts of solar cells every year. The domestic manufacturing capacity is only about 20 gigawatts. So currently there is a demand-supply gap. But as many companies are investing in new or additional capacities, this gap might not last long. Got it. My next question is there any significant technology uncertainty in solar cell manufacturing? Good question. And the answer is not to worry. TOPCon technology is likely to remain the mainstay of solar cell technology for at least a decade or even longer. Great. That's comforting. And the last question is it a good idea to be a standalone solar cell maker, or is it better to be a vertically integrated one? You have reserved the easiest question for the last. Standalone solar cell makers will find it difficult to survive, let alone flourish. Vertical integration is almost compulsory for sustained growth and long-term profitability. Thank you, Narsi, for such convincing answers. Thank you, Rahul.